Let's take it over to day trader Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. Now, Mike, you are focused on a buy now, pay later company for your latest play. Tell us about your trade in AFRM.
From a technical standpoint, AFRM had really nice earnings. And they gapped up to almost to $45, and we've basically just seen it come right back down. And so I'm looking for us to get back into that gap. And if we get into that gap, I want to play it to the downside. So that's the high of that gap is about 37.40, and then you don't see support until 33. So I want to play that with a put on the breakout into the gap to the downside.
You normally do not pick a downside trade. You usually pick stocks that are set to rally. Explain how you plan to profit with a put option with your trade in AFRM.
Yeah, so, well, as the underlying, which would be the stock in this case, decreases, then the value of your puts increase. So it's just kind of like the inverse of the call. And so, this is kind of a twofold play. One, on the technical gap, and then two, we saw the likes of Goldman Sachs really having a hard time with their credit card business, and I think that just kind of put the kibosh on things like AFRM and Shopify and to some extent MasterCard and Visa.
I see where you're going with that sector. Sounds like look out below for you for now. Thank you, Mike.
All right, well, thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.